Hey there, Deputy Lamson, Boys County Sheriff's Office. I'm stopping you going 59 is 45 through here. Nope. Do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance, registration? Been 45 for about the last 10 miles for you. Are you Jennifer? Yeah. Do you have your ID with you?
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we are covering a video from the YouTube channel Baller76. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Before we break down this footage, I want to take a moment and talk to you about We the People University. If you haven't heard about this online course, I want to let you in on a little secret. Its sole purpose is to train you to know what it takes to make sure you are not unfairly treated by the police ever again. Who better to teach you what to do when the police try to search you or your property illegally or violate any of your constitutional rights than former police officer and sheriff's deputy Abiyah Israel. Learning your basic rights is an easy process. The only thing it takes is you being willing to learn. Do you want to learn all the trick questions that police ask during a traffic stop? Do you want to take back control from the police? If so, please click on the link in the description below. You will learn the secret of taking control of your constitutional rights back from the tyrants who abuse the law. Now let's get into today's video. This video took place in the summer of 2015. The man and the woman in the video were traveling through Boise County, Idaho, and they were pulled over for speeding by Boise County Deputy Lamson. As always, it is required for the driver, which was the man in this case, to show his ID if they were pulled over for a traffic infraction. But in most cases, passengers are not required to show ID. I will leave a link above and in the description below to one of my previous videos covering this exact topic, if passengers of a car can refuse to ID. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Hey there, Deputy Lamson, Boys County Sheriff's Office. Reason I'm stopping you going 59 is 45 through here.
Oh, I thought it was 55.
Nope. Do you have your driver's license, proof of insurance, registration with you? Been 45 for about the last 10 miles for you.
Oh, I thought it was 55. Okay.
Is this your car, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Are you Jennifer?
Yeah.
Do you have your ID with you?
She doesn't need to show you her ID, sir.
It's her vehicle, so I'd like to confirm.
No, she hasn't committed any crime. She's not going to show your ID. I'm sorry, sir. It's not going to happen. No, I apologize.
I need to confirm that it's her vehicle.
With all due respect, no, you don't. I'm driving. You don't actually.
I need to.
No.
It doesn't matter if that you're driving.
Do you suspect her of committing a crime?
No, I do not.
With this admission by Deputy Lamson that he does not suspect the passenger has committed a crime, he has closed down a vast majority of the reasons why a passenger would be required to show an ID.
Okay.
But I need to. Her name is on her registration. I need to confirm that it's her.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, sir. I'm driving. She doesn't need
It
to show
doesn't
your
matter.
ID. She's not going to show your ID, dude. It's not going to happen.
Sir?
I apologize, sir.
Okay.
If you would like to, you can get your. With all due respect, I appreciate what you do, and I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
But you are giving me a hard time.
Yeah, well, okay, if you want to look at it like that, I am going to give you a hard time over it because I am all about my rights, and she has rights. You don't suspect her of any crime. She's not. You haven't pulled her over.
That this is her vehicle.
No, you don't.
So if this vehicle is stolen, that doesn't make a difference. It's going to come back to a general.
This vehicle being stolen?
Possibly, I have no idea.
No, you're right. You have no idea. You have to have reasonable, articulable suspicion. No, you don't.
This deputy has already stated before that he does not suspect that Jennifer, the passenger, has committed a crime. Now, when asked if he has reasonable, articulable suspicion, he states he does, because maybe, just maybe, the car might be stolen. The courts have ruled in multiple cases that police officers are allowed to lie when speaking to a suspect. Unfortunately for this deputy, he has run into someone who knows his rights and is exercising his rights to the fullest extent of the law.
Yeah. No, you don't. I'm sorry, sir. It's not going to happen.
I need to confirm
that
this is
no,
Jennifer.
Advisor, please.
He's not on right now.
Well, I apologize then. It's not going to happen then. You can do whatever you need to do. You can violate my rights. You can
I'm
violate
not violating
her rights.
anybody's
You can violate
rights.
her rights. She's
Sir.
not going to present her ID. You pulled me over. It's not going to happen.
Okay, so if this vehicle is stolen and the person that's driving it,
Go check.
I have no idea.
Go check. Go check.
Okay,
Run the vehicle.
you said this was your vehicle,
Run the
correct?
vehicle. Yeah, it's my
It's still
vehicle.
going to come back to a Jennifer Ramsey.
She's my wife.
Okay, I don't know if this
She's
is
my
Jennifer
wife.
or not.
It doesn't matter. You don't need to know. You don't need to know.
Yes, I
I'm
do.
sorry. Go run the vehicle. See if it's stolen. That's all you gotta do, man.
It may
That's
not
simple.
come back as stolen, sir.
I don't care. I don't care. Then you have no articulable system.
After being at the driver's side window for almost 5 minutes, the deputy finally goes back to his patrol car and runs the tags of the vehicle. As both the driver and the passenger knew, the car did not come back as stolen. The driver was issued a speeding ticket and sent on his way. If an officer does not suspect a passenger has committed a crime, is about to commit a crime, or is committing a crime, the passenger is not required to show ID. Other situations where a passenger would be required to show ID is if the police officer sees an illegal substance on or very close to the passenger in the car. Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please remember to go over and check out Baller76's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, stay safe out there.